TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I want to tell you that Blue Horseshoe loves Anacott Steel. Well, that's from old Wall Street, but they sure love Tesla today, folks. Beautiful lesson. The low on Friday to the low we made today early in the morning was exactly 0.382. The market rallies $12, backs off to the second 382, and then goes up and makes a new high on the day. Now, folks, I want you to see what happens after that 382 was violated. You see how it broke? That means the trend in Tesla has changed. Remember, this is a short-term chart, but it has changed. All you have to do to go to prove that to yourself is to, oh dear, I can't do that, and I can't answer that one right now, is you just see after you see the 382 was broken, so what's going to happen? Ask yourself the question. Now we have a strong downtrend, and we want to look for the 382 to the upside, and there it is right there. We just hit it just a few minutes ago at 77. You know, folks, I've been doing this for a long time, and I think Elliott Wave started in 76 or 77. They've never brought anything out like that. No one has, about how important the 382. Now, we had a bunch of them today that were very, very important. We'll come up here and show you the number one, of course, was the NASDAQ. There was our high that we made back here on Friday. If you'll remember, there was your 382 today. Very nicely. You see it's coming down quite a bit. But also, rule number 2 is, if we take a market like this, you want to look for the first A, B, C, D correction. All right, and then you're going to see it right here. There's your A, B, C, D, right out of Gartley's book. And so this is how you try to control your risk. It doesn't always work that way, but when it does, it really makes it nice. We had a double penetration here in the old Dow Jones today. Had a big move in the Dow earlier in the morning. As you can see, we went up to the 61% retracement of the high that we made. No, excuse me, it was 786, I believe. And then you'll see that we started to, it was right in between. But then the key was right there. There was your first 382. You came down, hit it again, made a lower low. Second 382. Looks like it's heading lower, so we're going to be watching this very closely. So stay tuned. We got a lot of coverage, and we've got a special guest today, Norm Winsky from Naples, Florida, right out of New York City. We're going to take you to the Morgan Library.